Turn off likes notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off likes notifications on tweets. So first thing, you can go to your tweets and go to your profile, then you can click on the icon at the top. Then here guys, you will find notifications, which is the second option. Then you will find tweets in your place, and you will find likes, which is the first option. Then here you can limit who can like, which is from everyone, from people you follow, and you can click on off and turn off likes notifications. This is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next one.